welcome back to another YouTube video. I am so sorry for not posting videos lately. I just came back from vacation today for my birthday. My birthday is on Sunday, April 8th. So if you're an Aries baby, shout out to you. I know it looks like I have a pretty crazy tan and stuff like that. I'm looking ridiculous or whatever. So at first I was going to do a like a detangling video and like how to restore your choppy, like crazy looking wigs and stuff like that. But before we get into anything, like, I was going to not bash this company or anything like that. And what's crazy is I love this company, but I just been having some problems with this particular company. And I wasn't going to like really put them out there like that, but they are the company I am talking about is Ali Grace. I just want you guys to look at this. This is from today. Okay, today. This is a lot of hair, and this is nothing. I go through shedding every single day. Before I even get into this, like getting into really what the video is about, I just had to sit here and detangle the back of my neck. Now, I just sewed on the wig. I do not sleep in this wig. The first time I ever slept in this wig was last night. You hear me? Last night. Never slept in this wig before or anything like that. I just sewed the wig on last night. Yes, I was on vacation. I detangled my hair, wet it, whatever, got in the pool, beach, all of that. But from the beginning, I had problems with this hair. Let me tell you, I got a frontal. I had got a 28 inch, a 26 inch, a 24 inch, and a 22 inch with a 20 inch frontal, and everything was okay until I got to the frontal, and then the frontal started shedding like crazy. Now you guys know I am not one to bash this hair company. I fuck with this hair company. Like, this is my third time getting this hair. Now, I purchased this hair with my own money. The last time they sent me hair for free because I won a contest. But I just want you guys to know, you have to decondition this hair, and which I'm about to do. So this side right now has my silicone mix in it. I just spent an hour detangling my hair, and the back of my hair looked crazy. I just got it to be normal, sorta. This, I don't know if you guys can see, but it's ridiculous, like in the nape area of my neck. Like, it's ridiculous back here. I had to go in with my comb, my brush, my comb, my brush, my comb, brush, and there's no reason. I told them, when I showed them that my frontal was something was wrong with my frontal, I told them my frontal was shedding. They was like how they wanted to send me a closure. Didn't pay for the closure, didn't reimburse me the money that I spent for the frontal. So they sent me an 18-inch closure, which was okay because I deal with closure. I'm not new to wearing a closure, and I had to go on vacation, so they was pretty fast on the shipping. The 28-inch bundle was extremely like dry and brittle and just out of whack, and it took a lot from me to be like, you know what, Inaya, you have to put this bundle in your wig because you're going away for your vacation. It's your birthday and this and the third. But now it's like this. Like, this is I am not tolerating that. You understand? And it's pissing me off because nobody has coins all the time to get this hair from anybody. Like, so I spent $270 on 4 bundles in the front too. Clearly did not use a front too. I had to use a closure. This is a closure, guys. Right here. This is a closure, not even a frontal. Deep condition this hair once before. I haven't even had this hair that long, but that is all I really want to say about this hair. This is the truth about this hair. And this is the loose wave. Do not mind this. I just wanted to see if it's straight. But this is their loose wave and stuff like that. And yes, I did. So like, it takes color. I have no doubt in my mind that this hair does not take color, but you have to take care of this hair if you want this hair. I don't know if it's because I have longer lengths this time. Please do not mind like my edges and stuff like that. So yeah, the left side of my hair was extremely easy to work with, but once I got to the right side, it looks so bad, you guys. Like, it looks so bad. Sorry for my edges, you know how that go, but it looks so bad. But I'm gonna come back after I wash and finish detangling this hair and flat ironing it, because I'm done with it being curly. I need it to be flat ironed so I don't have these problems. Being that I am going to wear this hair, I need to not have these problems with this hair. So I'll be back after I wash, well, detangle and decondition my hair and blow dry and style it, I guess. Okay, so I know I said I was gonna come back after I finish the process and stuff like that, but I just wanted to show you that I finished detangling the hair, and I took my silicone mix and just put it all over the side of my hair, everywhere, like everywhere, inside, in the back, everywhere, just so the whole entire hair is being deep conditioned. It is now 8:21. I'll wash it out in the next 2 hours, which is 10. I'm gonna do it at 10. So I ain't trying to do this all day, all night. Between 9:30 and 10 o'clock, I'm gonna wash my hair out and blow dry it, flat iron it, and I'll show a little bit of clips after I do both, you know, just so this video don't be extra freaking long. But I'll be back. So good morning. It's currently 5:20 in the morning. Jet lag is dead ass real. I dead ass fell asleep after the first half of this video, but I washed out the silicone mix. So I was gonna leave it on for 2 hours, but I just ended up leaving it on, I guess, until 5, because I just got in the went in the shower to wash the silicone mix out like that. My hair feels extremely soft. So I guess, like, especially like with like color hair, you have to decondition the hair a lot, which I try to I moisturize my hair like every day. It's soft. I don't understand. Like, this is not my first time dealing with hair or anything like that. So hair looks like it is extremely soft. Remember them tangles I had? No longer have them. And I'm going to end up straightening this hair because I'm just so sick of it being curly. But as you can see, I did straighten, which is crazy because I did straighten this side, and you can see the curls coming back. Well, that the curls came back. So yeah, so I'm going to blow dry and flat iron this hair, and I'll be right back. Hey guys, I just wanted to show you the difference of being blow dried and flat iron. So this is the blow dried side of the hair, freshly washed, blow dried. I can run my fingers right on through, no more tingles in the back or anything like that. And this is the side that is flat iron. It's not bone straight because you got to think about it like this was loose wave hair, but for it to be loose wave hair, it's pretty straight, and I'm not really getting any tugs or anything like that in the back of my head. I've been doing my hair for the longest. I've been stopping. I was on the phone with my mother, everything. It's now 7:07. I know the last time I said it was 5 something, so this is what I use. I just wanted to show you guys what the hair looks like flat ironed and blow dried. I'm going to finish flat ironing my hair, but I just wanted to show you guys that you can restore your hair and you can restore it well. When you have weaves, this is your best friend. Silicone mix. So I advise you to get the big tub because it's going to get serious in here. I use silicone mix on my own hair. I deep condition my own hair and everything like that. It works like, it's like crack for hair. That's exactly what it is. My hair is very long. Very long. Okay, so this is 28 inches of hair. I also, like I said before, I sewed the perimeter of my hair, and also I parted my hair. I parted the closure and sewed the closure like right here or something like that, and on this side. Then I took this new thing that I bought, which is the Salon Graphics Professional Freezing Hairspray. This is what it looks like, and it's the Mega Hold one. I used it before, but I did not know quite how to use it really. But I watched this YouTube girl, her name is Tatiana Watsko or something like that. And she put me onto that. Reason why she uses that is because Got2b is very like sticky and stuff like that. Like you want this to hold your hair down without your hair being really sticky, and I think it did a really good job on my closure, that it stuck down. Guys, I'm like 3 different colors. I'm sorry, I've been in the sun all week, but it stuck down, and it's not hard or anything, but it's there. Like, it's there, you know. So I just pushed my closure up, and I got my blow dry and I put it on cool. I think that was the reason why I felt like it wasn't working before, because I just used it like it was the Got2b spray, and I just threw it on my head without like letting the cool air make it firm so it could hold on. But it's not going anywhere, and my install is flat. To start sewing down my units, I haven't had like a sew-in in a long time. Yes, this is a wig, but it is sewn onto my head and it's flat extremely. But that is all I want to show you guys today. Yeah, so this is not more so a hair review. It was to show you that I can turn my hair from looking like how it was before to it looking like how it does now. Okay, so I don't know, you tell me. And I'm in love with this color. The only thing I can say is when you do have colored hair or curly hair, make sure you deep condition the hair, because it can get crazy. You understand? Like, make sure you really deep condition your hair. I'm still receiving like, you know, little strands here and there, but as far as like big chunks and stuff like that, maybe because it was curly, but hey, you never know. But thank you for watching my YouTube video, and I'll be back with you guys next time. Adios.